What's up, it's Birchmount Video here again today, and we've got us a Nissan Juke in here. It's a turbocharged, everything like that. I'm going to do a service on it. And as you can see, another simple one, oil plug, oil filter. We've done this one before, so it's not real hard to do. I'm going to take off the oil plug with a 14mm. Goodness gracious. It's a little bitty oil filter that's on there tight. Oil filter wrench. Wrong size oil filter wrench. Small oil filter wrench. Come on, you little turd. Got it. Easy as pie. Little bitty bastard. A little 21-358 focus. Well, won't focus, but 21-358. I don't know how this oil is still draining right now. It's only 4.5 quarts. That's what it's going to wind up being too. It's 4.5 quarts of 5W30 synthetic blend. So let me ask y'all for a second. If you would please tell your friends, check out my stuff, like it, subscribe, and all that stuff. This is my 85th video, and I'm only like 6% to my threshold. So, and the threshold is when I start actually making money, but I don't care about that. I just want for the videos to be coming up on a bunch of people's channels, getting a lot of views, because I like getting myself out there, you know what I mean? So tell everybody to like, subscribe, and comment if you would, and I will throw videos y'all's way, and I will give you guys what you're looking for in this video. Should I get one of those? 7.3 Power Stroke right there. Now, I've always wanted one since I was a kid, but I need one like I need a hole in the head. Oh, looks like it's almost done draining finally. Nice and snug. If any of y'all know what DIG turbo means, feel free to let me know in the comments, because I'd really like to know what that DIG means. I like to learn everything I can about all these vehicles that come in here. I don't know if you guys can read it, but it says 4.5 right there. But that's what we put in there. So I think that's all we got for today on this oil change. It was a Juke, as you can see. And if this is your first time in, please, check out my other videos and like them if you like them, and subscribe if you like what I like, or if you like what I like and you like watching my videos. And hey, check this out. Haired Eagle power. But yeah, if you like what I like and you like the content that I put on my channel, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And tell all your friends, tell all the people that do watch all my videos, you know who you are, and tell them if you think you're worth telling. But that's all I got for today. This is Birchmount Video. Have a good day.